Why did I do that noise?
The cult worships Jim Pickens.
Jim Pickens. Oh no, LMFAO.
Let's get started. Really completes the ensemble. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lose next turn. Well, shit, I'm already losing. But that means I'm also winning. Oh, I'm a weird man. You can do stuff, you know, with just your body, like, say, dabs. I usually do about 10 reps in 3 sets. That's gonna be a horrible gif somewhere. It just doesn't feel the same. Let's go. Testing. Okay, that's good. Testing. Oh, that sounds awful. Enjoy your golf, everyone. Have a good time playing.
Du und dein Baby spielen gemeinsam mit Mama und mir als 50 lustigen Babysitten-Spielen.
It's Pink. Let us kill Pink and rejoice. This is not a Christian server. This is just a cult server. Well, there goes Pink. Everyone except for one who voted for Brown. I wonder who that was. What the hell is this? A body?
He was poor.
Alright, well, that's a bit feckin' judgmental. Have some respect for the dead, goddamn. Sorry, this music just seems really uncomfortable to me for some reason, and I wanted to make the situation even more uncomfortable for the intro. But it's actually a very serious situation today, because I have a bit of an announcement to make. It's like me to kind of, I guess, make it kind of funny or whatever at the start and deal with things with humor. But I have a bit of a thing I wanted to tell you guys, that I don't know what numbers are. I've always only been able to count to G, so we're gonna give this a go. We're gonna try to learn numbers, and I'm hoping you'll support me by dropping a fat like in the comments. Oh god, not only do I hate that sentence, but I said it at the start of the video as well, which is just awful. What? Is it just lagging? Oh, this is cursed. Oh my god. This is the part I turn off the TV. Oh my god, they're running at us. Everybody get down. This is terrifying. This is something from a nightmare.
Foxworthy.
No, we're not watching that. Look at him just skulking around. He's not very good at hiding, is he? What are you doing? Okay, maybe STDs are the answer. You don't have energy and you have a mild fever. Perfect. Just drink a smoothie. It'll sort itself out. Yes! Yes! Okay, STDs killed. Destiny is to die. I can hear someone inside. Doesn't sound like her. I'm going in. Good luck. That's what I'm going with. Go on in. He's like, something's wrong. There was this voice or a sound. Oh, I'm recording this. Must be Toby. I did exactly what you told me. I hit him in the balls as much as I could.
Name a yellow fruit.
Orange. Oh, no. All right. Napkin. A glass. Shit. Oh, there should be like a villain that's stealing people's faces and they get on butterflies, and then you've got to go through the villages and you got to defeat the butterflies, and then their faces go back onto the original villagers. Yes, that's a great idea. You know, I bet I could use Tic Tacs as roll-on deodorant. Okay, maybe I should try not to think. President Nixon.
Let's see if you're a match for these beautiful beasts.
Sneeze on me, please. I'm really into it. Come on, sneeze. Sneeze. Oh, yeah, come on. This is so disturbing. Did I get it? No? Dude, what the hell are you doing? We asked you to spray paint a few walls and you smushed 3 students with a steamroller? Oh my god, this baby has no interest in politics. I think it's broken. Yippee! Dude, that's not even half, Dahi. Give me the potato.
I made a grill. I put a potato on it. All hail potato!
Oh.
All hail potato! Top of the morning, how's it going? Top of the morning.
It took us less than a day to start worshipping a potato on the raft.
Alright,
What the hell is that? That's Jesus! Oh my god! I saw it coming. There was something like flying towards me. And I was just like, is that Jesus? I just see the rocket flying towards me. What the hell is this? It's a bot. Alright, well, it's clearly not my shining personality. It must be another reason. I can just talk quieter.
Why is Kevin loud? That's the real question. Alright, turn down the game a bit. He's fine.
For the scene, just respond,
I think this is gonna.
This has never been performed before. Oh, he looks determined. The kiss of death, everybody. Oh, he embraced it. He likes that. Well, at least he went out on a high. He's just out here waiting for him. Oh, here he comes. Oh, wow. Wow. That is, attractive. Let me give you some extra health. And it just comes at my forehead and starts etching in another scar. I know this is where you get your powers, Harry. Smoke bombs and all that stuff. I am Kevin. Wait a second. I think this man is threatening me.
Because he's the hero Gotham deserves. But not the one it needs right now. The Dark Knight.
Yep. That's me, the Dark Knight. Oh, I'm getting on in years, okay? My body is decaying. Oh, and the coconuts are fake and everything. Imagine that you studied your whole life to invent this renewable energy source. You start telling people about it, and then a wicked guitar solo comes on. You get completely outshined.
A murderer becomes a serial killer with just 2 more kills.
That is a motivational quote. I'd put that up on my wall. I prefer that to like live, laugh, love. I could put it right up here. I do funerals. I am a serial killer. Oh yes, I get to play as Frisbee Dude.
What the fuck, Richard? Language.
I'm a big Marvel fan. I know all of their names. Oh yeah, we got Tin Can, Frisbee Dude, and Shrek. Hey, talk about your edible toilet paper.
I'm a Utes.
He just got an up-chin shot of Shrek before he died. And look at him, feck off. I think this might be the lowest point of my career. No, not you, kid. You got weird googly eyes. Keep moving. Could I be any more mysterious? Oh, mama's lipstick. You see, I always say, hey, they're friends at the start, and you don't really get a choice in it. You have to be friends with this. It's part of the contract, the verbal agreement when you watch my videos. Let's see what white Kevin accomplished with his life. Wait, what the hell? Dude, I'm gonna get my own lightsaber and I'm gonna kill you now. Like, I've always thought that about rich people. Why do they get portraits of themselves? It's really freaking weird.
But who?
Well, yeah, I can like run, but like in slow motion. You're in, kid. May I take your order? I'm just a small little Kev. Yeah, you like these beats? Cause you're about to get beat. I should have wrote the dialogue for this game. And, I don't know, a lot of repressed memories. Oh god, the screams. The terrible, terrible screams. And so much yogurt for some reason. Yogurt everywhere. I guess he was ready to murder the civilian and immediately confess. Hands. Weapons of mass destruction. Ow. What? Sucks to be me for landing on it, but it's great to be me that it has to be paid to me.
What the hell?
Sorry to disappoint you boys. It's just me. Hey fellow kids. My name is DJ Kevy. I just came up with that. Pretty impressive, huh? Are you ready? Not as dramatic when you gotta take off this many layers. To rock! I especially like the part where Shrek accidentally fell over and accidentally kissed Thanos' 19-pack.
Please find a seat.
Just a little joke. Please don't leave. Ah, there you go. There's my penance. Oh. Goodbye. When you're so unlikable, even your equipment tries to escape your company, please stop. Oh, god damn it. For feck's sake. Alright, the doctor is taking a turn. Let's just get a cheeky kill here and just skedaddle doodle. Sorry, I'm getting technical on my strategies. That's doctor talk. Why is he even going out there? It's a feckin' lightning storm. And he's just going out into the water to dip his toes. Oh, for God's sake, why him? Okay, no, some
Should have been me,
brother. Oh my god! He scared me so much. Why is it only speech? Oh my god, that scared the Jesus out of me. Okay, we got our sound effects back. I don't know what happened. I really don't know what happened. Uh-oh, I'm trespassing.
Oh my god, my only weakness, literally fucking dying.
That was the end I was missing. For feck's sake, that was it. That's what I was missing. And then he just goes on to die. For feck's sake. All that just for that. You don't even see the coin toss. He just falls over and dies. A mansion. It contained a human skull. Okay, I got $1,500 for it. My niece, what age is she? 8? You got some cash, right? Give me that piggy bank. My Honda Odyssey is 36 years old. It's almost as old as me. Great. Maybe I should have put like a little slide or something up to a window and I could have slid in there instead of just turning to water.
You gotta find another place to do, well, do your thing, okay?
What exactly are you implying? Jumping off ledges as usual, jumping over boxes. Oh, thank God, I escaped into a cutscene. Oh, there's Jackie. They're still after me behind though. What is that thing? Sneak past Royce, optional. Well, that's fucking gone now. But they do have him outnumbered and there is strength in numbers. But also there's strength in strength. He is destroying them. Well, best of luck.
What the fuck?
What is this? Oh, god damn it, really starting off this way. It's gonna be gory right from the get-go. Also, my legs are a bit shaky. I just always feel anxious.
Payback.
Well, he got shot like 25 times. Okay, so level 1. We'll do a level 1, and it should sound like... Meow. And a level 2 should be... Meow. A level 3... Oh god, that sounds awful. Everyone in the chat was asking for it, but now you don't want it anymore, but it's too late. Hey Elmo, you want to come to Cookie World and learn about numbers? You plus me. I don't think this is Cookie World. I think we've gone into the sewer system.
Find all the number 7.
Okay, we gotta collect some 7s. I'm afraid of 7s though, because 7, 8, 9. It's highbrow humor. You might not get it. Don't expose yourself to the camera, Elmo. What is wrong with this game? It's very inappropriate.
Count out tonight's be too money, like.
Time for a story. What's this? Horses approaching your village. They probably bring wine and reruns of Friends on box set. What a joyous day for the village. Those aren't traitors. These are raiders. Oh no. What's that screaming? Run! Oh no. They're coming to kill you and your family, and your entire village will be burnt down. What are you gonna do? Are you relaxed yet? Can you hear the screaming?
Oh, hello. Stuart Little was a renowned moonshine peddler out west, but he hasn't been heard of in minutes. His name sends shivers down your spine. I can't decide whether you should live or die. Oh, you'll probably go to heaven. Please don't hang your head and cry. I wonder why my heart feels dead inside. Cold and hard and petrified. Lock the doors and close the blinds. You're going for a ride. How did I even do that?
I'm gonna give you a week.
A week.
Okay? I wanna give you space.
Feckin' dedos the Mantequilla. Ooh. Ooh.
I'm ready.
Ooh. Why is my water jet so small? Hermione's gonna think I'm a loser. Ooh. 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 Ireland. Everyone in the club going nuts. Not bad. Whoa, I'm good at this.
Nice.
Play video games to distract myself. Ooh, I'm gonna get a soggy piece of paper mache in the mail. Hey, you come here often! How are you doing? I'm gonna set up the next game mode now. And we should have good old fun. So if you want to join in, get ready to join the game. I'll set up the job. And I'll put it on closed until I invite Max in. But then you can join, so be ready. Okay. San Rio Child, thank you very much for the bits. I appreciate it.
Why have you got one of those bikes?
Enjoying it.
Oh, that's so unpleasant. My spine hurts. Community as well for bees.
I just like how moaning is like a bear sound. Like you're out in the woods and you just hear, like, oh, it's a bear.
Well, that's what it
Better
is.
be careful. Ooh.
Water here in Blackrock and Salt Hill, both today and yesterday.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Open the case.
No. Oh, go feck yourself, 14. Sorry, I just wanted to give you like a live musical intro to this episode. It was me on the recorder. Never use that clip or I'll strike you for copyright.
Oh, pinboy.
This is canny. Oh, that's nice. I love video games that put you on hold. Ah, yes. Hold music. My second favorite genre. Only second to royalty-free music. Yeah, that's me. 1 second.
Thank you, Jim.
Okay, I
All
am.
hail the great leader Pickens.
My job is done. Ah! Ah! Why is that the game's little image? Wait for it. Oof. Oof.
A bean!
Look! Tree! It's the color tree! Whoa, 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 wait, I'm driving the boat and fishing at the same time? I couldn't even pick carrots. This seems a bit beyond my pay grade. I barely edited the, oh my god, the last verse. Go, Jim! Yay, everyone's in!
love killing. It's just a way of living. Just having fun. When in my hands there is a gun, baby. Let's make a justice. Somewhere.
Oh no!
Watching the sun go down. Hope this one lasts forever with you in my arms.
That is the most cursed shit I've ever seen in my life. Oh, brilliant. Like, this last verse was pretty much the same. It was just you and me, somewhere all alone, watching the sun go down. I hope this lasts forever with you in my arms. What about Ron magic offered Ron? It's like you're facing Voldemort and you just can't beat him and he's off the sidelines like, have you tried Ron magic? No, Ron magic is never helpful. Ever. To Harry, Ron was a loud, slow and soft bird. Harry did not like to think about birds. So I'm gonna feed him some jelly. Oh my god, he really likes jelly! Oh my god, he loves jelly! Or maybe he just has all this energy from being locked in a cage all the time. Keep it up. Really? Pick up the pace? Okay, wait, no, this is actually easier. I don't like holding it. It was taking so long. Okay, great. It's like I'm a camera shy or something. I keep going to hide behind the mic. That was meant to go over. Sorry. Go back to relaxation. That was meant to go over and land in the other hand, like... Jesus Christ, I'm bad at throwing things. Sorry, go back into relaxation zone. I got 2 of them. It made like literally no noise. Also, my chair keeps making noises and it must sound awful. Let me swap chair. I like how out of all things that I'm doing, and then I'm like, no, the chair is too loud. The chair must go. Alright, now you're going to get evil laugh coming up. I don't think I was supposed to look away. It was like something that Ross from Friends would play.
Alright, it is time to say those 8 magic words. I am not smarter than a 5th grader.
There's a lot of bread in your ears. Oh, that doesn't look good at all on the wavelength. Let's just make sure that we get each and every crumb. Do you think that anyone is actually, like, non-ironically enjoying this? Because I feel like I'm doing a pretty good job, all things considered.
Hi.
Must warn you, never use your wand against a peacock. You might hurt yourself.
Well, god damn it. I've changed my mind. I would like to, I'd like to get my prize in change, please, so it'll appear like it's more substantial.
Oh god, it's desperate because the mountains is brave and close now, right now.
It's you and me, George.
Look at that, my dodge is getting good. No, don't take screenshots. What is going on? Stop! Stop! Die, you fecker! Oh, I think we found Jeff's face. At least I think it's him. I don't know. They're hard to... Okay, yeah, that's him.
I am the Dark Lord, Jim Pickens. I've come to wreak havoc and terror on this miserable little world.
I wonder what a turd yawn would sound like. I imagine it's like a foghorn. Where is Vin Diesel? Please.
Vous, Tiganip, Licker, Chigatrap, Va-vous, VNX, like a bridge.
And then I said to him, I said, Thor Ragnarok. More like Boar Ragnarok. Why is no one watching? What? He's taking out a gun and he's aiming it at himself. Yes, what a shot. Let's get a replay on.
But sometimes when he
I
gets...
don't know how to act that one out.
The poor guy! How can you work with this? Maybe the buried treasure is down here. Haha! Okay, we can do this. We can do this. I'm not on edge at all. I'm doing fine mentally. Look at this. Not nervous at all. I've got this under control. Oh god, I might have actually been shaking. Screenshot my hand so it looks like I'm not shaking. Look at that. Not nervous at all. Where is he? Because this is so crap. I just have to follow him along and now I'm lost. Look at that run. Oh, I loved that. That was great. Release. Oh my god. What a move. Oh, it hurt him psychologically though. He didn't like that. The kids must be fucking terrified. I want to eat it, but I don't think I can. I could feed the whole clan with that. I don't think I want to be in this area. There are lots of snakes. Come on, kids. Follow Pop-Pop. I don't suppose it's 1, 2, 3, is it? Damn it. This isn't possible. Wait, hold on. We got something here. Oh, he's using glow-in-the-dark ink. What a loser. Your puzzles are lame. What, you spend all your life in here making puzzles? Get a life, dude. Just start trash talking. Comes on the mic like,
Hey, come on, stop. Let's play a game.
oh, he's so menacing when he sneaks. Oh, Jesus. I thought he'd choke him.
Now we're talking.
For fuck's sake. Okay, just silently. No, I said silently. Oh my god. Pull. Okay, could have been anyone. It could have been anyone on the island. We allow guns. There's hunting. People fish with Glocks here. The fish are very dangerous. Okay, a few people have died from fish trauma to the head. Okay, I've somehow gotten away with all that. But now I gotta find the treasure.
Boxes and the
That was it for you, huh?
That's what broke the mime of all things. He's having a great time.
Freezer's freezing at higher temperature.
See, he's very observant. He gets me.
So that it was freezing the frozen pizzazz too much.
Is this just my way of saying I am hungry? Oh, I was about to say that I won't have any companion because, you know, that's fitting. But this guy's kind of cute. I don't think I can resist. I'm going to call him bad ideas because, you know, the light bulb. Every time I have an idea, it's usually a bad one. So that is pretty fitting. Oh, time to go. People want to bring back 2000s emo culture to create the roaring 20s. Oh, Jesus.
I don't know. I'd rather go back and we can all talk like we're from the 20s, see?
Is that how they talked in the 20s? I need to Google it. Here we go. BuzzFeed will answer my question.
I'm ruined. I need me a giggle water, and quick.
What? Are we gonna call alcohol giggle water? Did they actually say that? That's a bit cringe in itself. We somehow went back to the 20s and still found cringe. Is that even a crime, smashing a brick? Well, there goes my feckin' challenge now because one of them just smashed. Oh no, wait, it got him. It got him. Okay, that was a crime. Hooray! Christmas miracle.
Check the bodies. That asshole's still twitching.
Oh, I love it already. He's pulled the pin. Run, what are you doing? Wait, are they dead? What? Are they dead?
It's a total goat fuck. Goddamn KPA were waiting for us.
What? They weren't waiting. We snuck up and failed completely. The guys just stood there while the guy pulled a pin. Oh my god, I gotta stop for a second just because that whole thing was so stupid. They were like building up the characters, explaining who they were. And then he just dies in the first cutscene.
Yes, I did it. How the hell did I do it? Mid-race, I started disassembling my car and I reassembled it into something that doesn't work. This is bad. Hold on, wait, don't I actually have... I think I have cans of stuff. I do. I have dying of thirst. It's being like, oh, I wish I had water. Meanwhile, I have like 4 cans of Coke on me. I'll leave my fire here unattended on my wooden raft and head in and look for some supplies. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Someone has got a proper setup here. Water, water, drink. Oh, yummy. I hope this person isn't mad that I'm stealing their water. What? 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 I'm confused. What was happening? So I'm running from my problems by playing video games. Nothing new there. Let's go. And just kill a lot of people, you know? My idea is if I can't go on vacation, they can't either. I will also be looking for this treasure map, which is weird. It's like another quest on this map. I don't know what the hell is going on, but I want to do it. We're a clown. I mean, look, it's pretty apparent. We got a fish and we're ready to play. Oh, hold on. Okay, now we're ready to play. Oh my god. Evolution is hardcore. How big is that bird? Jesus Christ. I thought he was just close to the camera. I didn't realize he was that big. Is that me? Did they drop me on my head? Makes a lot of sense.
God damn, Jesus fucking Christ.
Oh my god. He just never stopped swearing. He's just going at it.
What are you seeing out there? It's a goat fuck, Admiral. Your intel was bullshit.
Oh my god.
Check and mate, Mr. Saw. Imagine setting up that whole elaborate plan and the guy just stands there idle until he dies.
Wait, who are these guys? Super convenient that they happened to stop in the middle of this lake right where I was.
Looks like we got all dressed up for nothing.
Everything's done. Classic demo dick.
Fucking ninja style.
What?
I'm gonna bring it to him.
Are we actually doing a little remix with lines of his?
Good spot to bring the noise.
Oh no. This is embarrassing. I'm getting like secondhand embarrassment cringe.
Boom time, baby. Trick or treat. Looks like a party come on. I got places to go and people to meet. Assholes.
I can't believe this is happening. Am I awake? Is this real?
Rock and roll, motherfuckers. Rock and roll.
I think I just found a new ringtone.
You may be asking yourself, why am I doing this to myself again? I'll tell you why. This video is sponsored by Starbucks. No, it's not. I just like the pain. Why do people leave when the suspicion goes towards them? Instead of like trying to bluff or lie the word out, or just even see what happens. Maybe there'll be a divide. They're just like, I leave. I hate this game. Oh no, I found a body. Pretty sure that was brown. Oh my god. Why didn't he say anything? I did such a light accusation as well. I was like, it's brown. I'm pretty sure because he was running from the body and he didn't say anything. And then he just doesn't say anything the entire time. Oh, I give up. This is driving me insane. And remember to subscribe to my channel. Or else. More like more like